Alright guys, Ryan and I are going to have a challenge today. We're going to do a challenge of who can make the best cake. Now, I'm making my own cake like from scratch. Ryan is going to use it from the box. And we're going to see who does a better job. And we're going to like doing things. And then we're also going to like decorating it on how you want to. So we're gonna get stuff from what you want for your own cake. So we're gonna find all of our stuff.
Additional challenge of homemade versus store-bought. I'm going to be making a cake with not only ingredients that are like box ready, but also like frosting and all of that. And she is going to be making everything from scratch. And we hope to answer kind of this lifelong question of, is store-bought better than homemade? Is homemade better than store-bought? Oftentimes, homemade is indeed better, but things have gotten better now with store-bought stuff. And also there's the cost to time ratio, like which one's quicker, which one's faster? Is it that much better? Is it worth your time? We're gonna time it. Got our receipts too to like kind of figure out what is more affordable. Are you paying to save time? What have you? This is all Walmart bought stuff too. So, stuff that everybody has access to. All right.
It's in 39 minutes. 29 minutes, sorry. We're ready. It's looking good. Stop going in it. I'm about to start making my buttercream.
All right, so Courtney is seemingly wrapping up her homemade cake. It looks good. I'm sure it tastes just as good. However, in this competition, we are taking several factors into consideration, but time, costs, and probably one or two others when we can think of them. But we will see. We will see how it goes.
All right, here is my cake. It's a little crooked, so we named it
Slanted Petals.
Slanted Petals. But it looks cute, right?
It's very artistic.
It's a little crooked. But it's going to be so good, and it's going to be better than Ryan's.
So I'm going to be starting my cake. It's just a Betty Crocker super moist white. Just like a basic cake that you would get from the store. And then I have a Pillsbury buttercream. I think we all know when it comes to time that this is a lot quicker than the other one. But, well, it tastes better. And to be honest, I don't, you know, some cakes are pretty good. Like, I mean, if you have like a home recipe that's been passed down by generation, but it's more to see how good the store-bought is compared to the homemade. Is it just a little better? Is it a lot better? Honestly, I think Courtney will definitely beat me when it comes to taste and flavor and all that. But I think when it comes to time and money, I probably will win. So let's see. All right, so just pulled them out of the oven. Realized about halfway through cooking that I totally had a lapse in judgment and did not spray the pans prior to putting the batter in. So we will see how challenging it is to pull them out of the pans. But so far I think they're looking pretty good.
He's got blue so far. Doing a great job. Not sure what he's doing, but I'm sure it's gonna be great, but not as good as mine.
It's a gender reveal cake.
So what? What'd you say? I
said it was a gender reveal cake.
Oh, so then why else did you pick green?
I don't know, because maybe it's part alien.
Maybe. The colors are pretty.
I thought so too.
Why are there pieces inside of your blue?
What do you mean?
I mean, green. Look at it. I'm seeing all those pieces in there. I told you not to do that. I literally told you how to do it so it doesn't happen.
I have an idea.
I have an idea. Can you fly me up there? Do you know what that's from?
No.
If you guys know where that's from.
Is it from Wicked?
No, let me know. Bridget will probably be the only one that knows. But everyone else, let me know if you know.
It's like a burger.
Yeah, it is.
I don't think there's that many pieces in it.
Mm-hmm. Oh God. I think there's some pieces over there.
Doing my piping.
You're piping. Okay.
Oh, shoot. Well. Just imagine that that's like kind of like a ribbon or something.
Okay.
Yeah. We're going for a ribbon look.
It's okay. Yeah. Yes. Bring it down and then up when you're done. Bring it down. Okay. You making a heart?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, now it's looking really good, yeah. Aww. Courtney and Ryan. That's so cute. Totally killed it. Totally killed it. Are you proud of it?
I am.
Good. It looks amazing. Which one do you think is gonna be better?
I'm gonna do yours. I'm gonna do yours first.
Okay.
It's been sitting out longer. It's good.
I like it.
It's definitely good. Do we need to cleanse?
No.
Oh God, it's all over.
Yours?
Definitely the buttercream tastes different.
It definitely tastes different. So this is Ryan's. And then this is mine. Which one do you like better?
Yours.
I think I like mine better too.
Yeah.
It's...
I mean, it's not... It's definitely subtle.
Mm-hmm. Nah, I wouldn't say subtle. It has more of a flavor of like, I don't know.
There's a texturing aspect of it too with your sprinkles that I think comes across off like very high end.
But I also think the texture of
the inside is much more dense on yours.
But it's also yours is so like has like they're very holy. There's like holes all over it.
Yours is more dense.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, guys. So we've reached the end of this cake challenge. When we tally it up, when it comes to presentation, I think Courtney takes the ribbon on that. When it came to time, as one might imagine, the boxed cake is reasonably quicker.
Yeah.
We found that our oven cooked it a little faster than we would have expected.
Yeah.
But it's reasonably quicker. It took 2 hours basically for her to do her cake and to get it out and to cool it. And mine took, with how I struggled with decorating it, probably close to an hour and a half. So you're saving about a half hour if you're not talented like me.
Being an expert.
Taste, her cake was far more dense and rich and just tasted more high end.
Yeah, the other one just tasted like a box which is it's still good, but it just tasted like from the box. So.
Absolutely. So she wins on presentation and she wins on taste. The box cake definitely wins on time, and it probably wins on price too, depending on how you're doing it. If you have to buy all the ingredients from scratch, between the vanilla and the confection sugar and everything, you're probably going to be spending more than the $1.08 that I spent on a box, plus the eggs and what have you. So box cake is definitely going to win on price and time. But
I would say mine works.
Yeah, both were good cakes.
Yeah, they're both good.
But Courtney is definitely going to take the win on this one.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so that was the video. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know down below if you guys like kind of challenging videos. I like those. I think they're fun. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell in there so you guys know when I put my new videos up. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!